In the ever-evolving world of smartphones, two titans are vying for supremacy: the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max and the Oppo Find X9 Ultra. With cutting-edge camera technology, powerful processors, and stunning displays, these devices promise to deliver an unparalleled experience. But which one truly stands out? Will the Huawei's impressive 50MP main camera and advanced night photography capabilities outshine the Oppo's remarkable 200MP sensor and Hasselblad color calibration? And when it comes to performance, can the Kirin chipset compete with Qualcomm's elite Snapdragon? Join me as we dive into the details and uncover which smartphone reigns supreme. Are you ready to find out which one deserves your hard-earned cash? When it comes to photography, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max boasts a versatile camera setup with a standout 50MP main lens that excels in low-light conditions thanks to its advanced night photography mode. Meanwhile, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra takes the crown with its jaw-dropping 200MP main camera, offering incredible detail and vibrant colors, enhanced by Hasselblad's color calibration. This makes it the go-to option for professional-grade photography enthusiasts who demand the best in image quality. For selfies, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max features a 13MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for group shots and capturing more of the background. In contrast, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra impresses with a 50MP wide selfie camera, ensuring stunning detail and clarity in every shot. This makes it the ultimate choice for selfie aficionados looking to elevate their social media game. Under the hood, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max is powered by the Kirin 9030S chipset, delivering solid performance for everyday tasks and gaming. However, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra takes the lead with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which not only offers superior processing power but also enhances graphics performance, ensuring a seamless user experience and high-end gaming capabilities. In terms of raw performance, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max scores an impressive 2,800,000 on Antutu, but the Oppo Find X9 Ultra leaves it in the dust with a staggering score of 4,010,000. This significant difference highlights the Oppo's superior processing capabilities, making it the better choice for power users and gamers alike. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max features a striking 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1308 by 2880 pixels, offering vibrant colors and smooth visuals at a 120Hz refresh rate. On the other hand, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra's 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display shines with a higher resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels and a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, making it an exceptional choice for media consumption and gaming. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max packs a unique SMAGE imaging system, enhancing your photography experience with advanced features. Conversely, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra stands out with its Hasselblad Professional Imaging Kit, providing users with professional-grade tools for capturing stunning images. This gives the Oppo a significant edge for those serious about photography. In the battery department, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max houses a robust 6,000 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting performance throughout the day. The Oppo Find X9 Ultra, however, takes it a step further with its 7,050 mAh battery, providing even more endurance for heavy users who need their device to last longer between charges.